Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophie Adams, a content creator from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. So today we will be cooking, as you've seen the title from the thumbnail, we'll be cooking Dubai food matchboos. So what you need oil, you need onions, you need the seeds to bring the aroma. I think everyone knows about these seeds, like the masala, just to make a good scent for your food. So as you can see, I'm trying to make the onions brown, and as you can see now, I will add tamarind. Put enough tamarind for the quantity of the food you're going to be cooking. And today we will be making the chicken matchboos. In case you need beef matchboos, any other semi fish matchboos, you can as well use any that you need. So today I will be using chicken. So you add the garam masala just to make a good scent for your food. You know, I love food. I love to cook food and I eat. So this is the process. So you add chicken and then you mix. Yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to mix, trying to make everything. I can feel the aroma already from the ingredients I've put. So I will add my chili. Always, I love chili, but if you don't want to, you can as well leave out the chili, but for me, I cannot eat food without chili. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm trying to add the ingredients. So in case you want to try it at home, you can as well follow the same procedure as I'm doing. You can add salt to taste, and you know, I like it when it is juicy. I like juicy rice, so that's why I added the tomato. But if you don't want to add tomato, it's also okay, but for me, I like it juicy. I think you will see after the process is done, you will see how my rice will be looking like. So now we cover for a few minutes. After, we will open to see. Yeah, it's now okay. The tomatoes have already mixed up with the chicken and everything. So now we will add water. After adding water, you need to cover again and let it boil. So now you can see I'm washing my rice. So as it's boiling, then you will add the rice in. So as you can see, I've added the rice, so I will let it boil. As you can see now, it's already done, and you can see the rice is juicy because I added tomatoes. I like juicy. So this is how matchboos is done. So now we will need to, I will have to mix and check. Yeah, as you can see, it's very juicy, it's nice, the aroma is very nice. So it's time to taste what we have cooked. Yes, wow, it smells so nice. As you can see, I'm tasting. You can feel the taste from the way I'm nodding I'm nodding my head. So if you like to watch or to see more videos of cooking videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, like, comment, and